Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the packet burst on the MW3 game. So how you can fix it. So first thing you need to do is you can click on the Steam, go to your Steam settings, and now here you can just simply go to your downloads and scroll down. You will see the limit download speed. So make sure this option is unchecked, and also you can just untick this option of schedule out of dates, and also tick this option of throttle download while streaming, and you can also clear download cache. After that, now you can just restart your Steam, and then you can check just your problem is fixed or not. So I have not downloaded the MW3 game on my PC, but I will give you the solution. You can fix this problem easily. So after that, if your problem is not fixed, then you can simply change the servers on your game, and by changing the servers will sometimes fix your problem. And after this, you can see your problem is fixed. And guys, these are the solution you can fix the packet burst error on the MW3 game. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.